Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're going to stop sharing photos right now. First, identify which accounts and apps are syncing images: Apple ID, Google account, OneDrive, Dropbox. Once you know them, open each account's photos or sync settings and switch off automatic upload or backup. Make sure to sign out of those accounts on devices you don't control anymore. Otherwise, the sync will keep running in the background. This first step cuts the pipeline so no new photos are shared, while you proceed to more specific device settings. Now tackle device-level sync to stop existing flows. On iOS, go to Settings, Photos, and turn off iCloud Photos and shared albums so your library stays local. On Android, open the Photos app and disable backup and sync for each Google account. Confirm by checking account-specific toggles. On Windows or Mac, open your Cloud Drive app and unlink the device or remove the Pictures folder from sync. Once done, new photos stay on the device unless you manually upload them, which gives you control. Finish by removing any shared albums and revoking app permissions so past links can't reshare content. Double-check all other devices. Sign out or remove account access on phones, tablets, smart TVs, and cameras. If photos still appear elsewhere, reboot devices and recheck sync toggles, then sign into the web account and revoke any active sessions or app tokens. That kills lingering connections. If one device keeps syncing, temporarily change the account password to force reauthentication, then sign only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.